many of you who see my videos, a lot more see my videos than actually follow through with what I tell you. The only reason to trade is to make money. I'm going to repeat that. The only reason to trade is to make money. And the only way to make money is know what the smart money knows, what the big boys know. If you knew where the market was going to go every day, you have to make money. There's no other way I can say this. If you know where the market is going to go, you have to make money. I tell people who subscribe to my Trading Zone subscription service where the market is going to go every day. And I'm going to use yesterday as an example. Yesterday, here was the trading zone that I sent out. The numbers were 44.43 on the support and 45.05 on the resistance. The market traded, for the most part, in that envelope all day. But Marv, you say, I didn't know whether it was going to go up or down. And look over here, it traded outside the trading zone. And it didn't go down to the bottom over here. Listen carefully. You take my numbers, and I'm going to clone this, and I'm going to clone it to where the support number matches where the market reached its low yesterday. And I'm going to bring that right up here. Okay? The people who subscribe to my service know about transposing the trading zone. You don't. You don't even have the trading zone. But here, the trading zone exactly shows you where prices were going to trade from the morning until they topped out in the afternoon, or even over here in the afternoon. If you believe that knowledge is power, I'd like you to take the next step and enroll in my Emini trading course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. Go a little further and subscribe to the Trading Zone service. The first week is free. The monthly subscription is renewable and you can cancel at any time. Both of these offers will increase your knowledge and they will make you a better trader and teach you how to trade more knowledgeably and more successfully. I hope to see you in my course enrolled as a student.